guys, just Rob from Iceboxauto, just going to show you today's install, which is on a 6 Series GT model, which has got the Evo original setup, as you can see. Now all you need to do is just hold down the menu button and you go into the aftermarket side, which is basically, this is the CarPlay side because it's linked into the customer's Apple phone today. But you use your command panel as you normally would, and it brings all apps over to your phone. As you can see, it's nice and fluid. There's no lag on the systems. As a lot of people ask these questions, go back to there, and obviously there's a lot of the applications brought over from the customer's phone. Just to let you know, my camera's shutter speed is a little bit slower, so you might see a bit of flickering on the image. I can assure you that's not on the screen, it's only on my phone. So as you can see, this is a lot of applications from the customer's phone. I'm going to move over to there. So if you're familiar with our YouTube account, you've seen a lot of videos on these anyway, but obviously we've not done the 6 Series before, but we've done the Evo, so I just thought I'd bring this one to you today. If you've got any questions, give us a shout, put our details down below in the description, contact details, get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot, take care, bye bye.